Frankie?
Yeah, eat something.
Are you ready?
No, he had a contaminated.
Charles, hurry up, I'm starting.
No, I'm gonna put it in a box.
Is he on it now?
Yeah.
Alright, this is my bike check. Yeah. Start with the seat.
Don't bitch us.
Animal strip push seat. It's like really pushing. Stick your finger right there. Pivotal force. Like a pivotal animal wedge pivotal post. Yeah. Black seat clamp. Then on my frame. The frame is a Sabrosa Salvador Street. Got like a chromoly theme thing. Yeah. I think it's hollow though. It's the really bad part. But drilled gyro tabs. I cut off the brake mounts. Really the headset. I've got an integrated headset with a bearing up here. And a stem right there. Yeah, the stem is like, it's so stock they don't even sell it in stores. Yeah. My bars are the stock bars that match the frame of the fork. My grips are Animal Edward De La Rosa grips. I love my animal parts. Favorites. Look at my sprocket. Eastern Medusa Light version 2. The 25 tooth with the white mechanic half-link chain. Coming back to the 9-tooth driver. It's a pretty loud hub. Kind of sounds like a Primo mix, but it's not. It's like the stockest one. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it bites like in the Primo mix and stuff like that, but it's not. My back tires an Eastern 440 rim in purple, and some black spokes at 14 gauge spokes. And yeah, purple and gray is my theme. Needs the white change to top it all off. Eastern twisted PCs pedals. That stands for plastic compost or something. Yeah, and there's some 3-piece crank stock, like everything else on the bike. That was the Eastern wore out like an ASM, cheaper. Not as much PSI. It's like a 50 right there. Fourth stock, same rim combo. Except they're a front hub instead of back one. Was kind of tires like a contact, I think. Up yards, G-Sport on each side, each wheel, with a black segmented peg. Don't grind with them, because it's going to be way harder. I've got some animal light up there. I'm going to put on today when I get the tools. And the bar ends. And I think that's it. Yeah. Rate and subscribe.
Oh.